Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Navigating the ribbon. We've pointed this out over many sessions. Simply click whatever tab. These are called tabs. I call them icons, tabs. It's semantics. You could call the features below icons. You can call them whatever you want. I really don't differentiate. I know there is the information at the top. You can call them tabs. You can call the information below as icons, subjects. You can call them objects. You can define them however you want. If you're working within a team, I guess it's best to define how you categorize this information or classify this information. But just navigate across the tabs to insert, page layout, formulas, data, review. You can also hit the Alt key. And we've touched on this briefly. If you're in the Home tab, you're going to see the file is labeled F, Home as H, Insert as N, Page Layout. If you're in the Page Layout page, if you hit Alt, you'll have an initial layout under the P. Then again, within your keyboard, hit P, that identifies page layout. Then if you want to change something within orientation, hit O, and then click that particular object. So again, you can go to Alt, hit Escape, hit Escape, hit Escape. You can hit Alt, P, O, and then hit Portrait. Or you can just go Page, Orientation, Portrait. Now you may ask yourself, why do I have these pictures in the background? As I talk about the ribbon, you can get an idea of the layout. You can see as I scroll around, here is a look at the customized ribbon that we'll get to in a second. Just some information that leads up to the final point. Now, you can customize the ribbon. You can add new custom tabs. You can delete custom tabs. You can change the order of the tabs. You can change the name of tabs. You can hide built-in tabs. You can customize groups on the ribbon by adding new custom groups, adding commands to custom groups, removing commands from custom groups, removing groups from tabs, removing a group to a different tab, changing the order of the groups within a tab, and you can change the name of the group. Now that we've talked about customizing the ribbon, how do you go about doing it? The easiest way is just go up to the ribbon, hit Customize the Ribbon. We're going to get the Customized Ribbon feature. Similar to the Quick Access Toolbar, we have the same structure, and we're going to see some of the same information that crosses over from the Quick Access Toolbar over to the ribbon. You can see the popular demands, and you can add this information the same way you do as the Quick Access Toolbar. Click it, and then hit Add. So if you want a new file, add. Now just keep in mind, where's this information going? If you want to customize the ribbon and add a new command, you would think, well, I can just go to Open and I can hit Add. It's not that simple. You have to add a new tab. And in order to add a new tab, you go down, and depending on where you are in the customization section of the customization format, here we're under Fred, and if we hit New Tab, it'll go underneath Fred. If you're up in Formulas and you add New Tab, it'll show up underneath New Tab. That New Tab will show up, if it was next to Formulas, it would show up just after Formulas. Otherwise, it'll show up here after Fred. Let's hit New Tab. We'll just hit OK. And you can see now I have a new tab here. To customize this further, go Customize the Ribbon. And then here you can hit Customize Ribbon. You can rename it. I want to open stuff and hit OK. And then over here in the commands, you can go open and then you can hit add, highlight new group, go to open, hit add. Open is listed under new group. Hit OK, go to open stuff, and now you have open. So you can see you have a new tab and then a new command. If you want to remove this stuff, go to customize the ribbon, go to new group, click open, hit right click, hit remove. If you want to add format printer, hit add, hit increase font size, hit add. Hit insert function, add, hit OK. And you can see open stuff. You have the 4 new or the 3 new commands. Pretty slick. Right click, customize the ribbon. If you want open stuff move in a different position, highlight the area, hit the up arrow, OK. And so now you have open stuff here in your ribbon. Insert open stuff, page layout. You want to remove this, go to open stuff, hit right click, remove, OK, and your ribbon's back to its normal look. And that's it to customizing the ribbon.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime, Williams out.